Road safety. Do you know how to cross the road safely? First of all, you need to stop. Then have a really good look left and right. Then use your listening ears. Can you hear any traffic coming? Remember that electric cars and bikes might not make a noise. Then safely walk across the road. If you see someone holding a large lollipop, cross with them. If you see some traffic lights with a pedestrian crossing, use that. Road crossing in 1, 2 and 3. 1. Press the button. 2. Wait for the green person to flash. 3. Cross safely. Or if you see a zebra crossing, that's a good place to cross. Cars are supposed to stop to let you cross, but make sure you still use stop, look and listen, just in case they don't notice you. Never run across the road. Always walk. Why do you think that is? Tell your partner how to cross the road safely.